So I'm a seafood lover, and October is National Seafood Month, so this is definitely a month for me. We're in the kitchen with Chef Michael Harden at Bonefish Grill, and what are we making today?
Well, today we're making a couple of items. We have our swordfish with pumpkin ravioli. That's a fall favorite. People love it every year.
I'm dressed for it.
We have our Kung Pao monkfish, which is a new item that we just started about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And then we have a spice pear mule, which is kind of a fall take on a Moscow mule.
Oh, nice. I've been seeing a lot of different takes on the Moscow mule.
Oh yeah, people love the Kentucky mule as well, being right across the river. But we really love this one since it's going with our fall flavors.
All right, take us through the first dish. What are we doing here?
Okay. Well, right here at Bonefish, we use an oak burning grill, but right now I'm cooking in the pan, so we have our swordfish searing up in the pan.
Sorry we don't have the grill. We changed it out.
Hey, we can adapt. We're flexible. Then we have our pumpkin ravioli over here. It was cooking in the water, boiling for about a minute.
Okay.
We have our green beans here cooking in the pan as well. You can use any vegetable that you'd like.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to move the swordfish over to the plate.
Okay. Swordfish comes on off the plate. We'll kick that.
Okay.
Really good.
And then we have our pumpkin ravioli. We got a little bit of butter. I know you're thinking about healthy conscious, but
how healthy is this? I still like butter, but I mean, I'm always asking, like, how many calories are this? What's the calorie counter? Like, who determines exactly how many calories goes into something? Because I don't believe y'all half the time.
You know, there's somebody in the basement of our home office that is their only job.
All right, so what are we topping it with?
Okay, so we're adding a little bit of feta cheese.
Just a little feta.
Okay.
Like feta is
a little
feta.
bit of green onion and then crispy shallots here as well.
Shallots, I don't know why I love them so much, but so what? And the ravioli, it tastes really good with it.
Oh yeah, they complement each other really nicely. The pumpkin puree and the ravioli is amazing. I actually took it back home to my family last Thanksgiving. We ate it there. They loved it.
Okay, all right. So what's this? Do we have a final sauce that we add to it, or what?
This is a little bit of extra vegetable butter that we make in house, and we just add the extra amount, just a little bit on the swordfish. You don't want to, add too much.
You want to oversaturate it.
Flavor and health consciousness together.
Yeah. See, I'm glad that we on the same page.
Absolutely.
Okay, so I'm forgetting the greens.
Oh yeah, we gotta have the green beans. Gotta have the vegetable here.
All right. Because I always say I like to have like something green on my plate, and like I try to fill my plate with a lot of greens to make me feel a little bit better about this situation.
Yeah, I gotta add a little color, no matter how big your plate is.
So we just dump it all on there, so we feel better about it. It's healthy.
Sure.
It's half greens. So what about the monkfish here? So how did you? Is it breaded or how do you cook that?
It is. Now monkfish is it's actually called poor man's lobster.
Okay.
It eats all shrimp, scallops, crab meat. It has a very, very sweet flavor.
Okay.
So what we do is we cut it down. We put it in a special seasoned flour and we flash fry it for about 2 minutes. Then we top it with jasmine rice goes in the center, and then our Asian vegetable mix, which is green onions, cabbage, shredded carrots, and green beans as well.
All right.
And then our Kung Pao sauce around the outside, a little bit of a sweet and spicy flavor, and then some cilantro and peanuts on the top as well.
Looks really good. Okay, well let's go ahead and see this. I love to see a twist on a mule, so I want to see you do this one.
Okay. So
that's one of my favorites there.
Oh yeah. So we're using our Grey Goose pear vodka.
Okay.
So we have 1.25 ounces, yes ma'am.
That's 1.25 ounces?
1.25 ounces.
Is that?
Oh yeah.
I've been getting it wrong.
So fresh squeeze of lime.
Okay.
And then we use 3/4 of an ounce lime simple syrup.
Okay.
And then we use 2 ounces of ginger beer, which you can get at any grocery store.
Ginger beer in there, yeah.
Now we already have the crushed ice in there. Then we have fresh rosemary and ginger candy.
Okay.
Complement it off.
All right.
And
there it is.
People just love it. It's great with any of these items.
It's such an easy drink to make. So, most people come in first for the seafood menu. What do you guys have special that you don't have here with us right now?
Well, we always have our main staples. You were saying you love salmon, tuna,
love salmon,
steak, shrimp, and scallops.
Okay.
All the main favorites we have. Now we have our neighborhood catch, which right now we're running a Kobe and Neworth. Now I have the ability to kind of change that topping.
Okay.
On a daily or weekly basis, depending on what everyone likes.
I have to stop over there because Bonefish is just so good. And you guys have lobster going on right now, huh?
Oh yeah, we always have lobster tails. And then we have our Hooked on Tuesday menu, which is a nice 3-course option. We do our Bang Bang Shrimp, $6 on Wednesday. Martini Monday. Any day you come, there's a deal. Yeah, Bang Bang Shrimp. If you've not gone over there for that, it's amazing. So thank you so much, Chef, for joining us this morning. We'll be back 2.5 minutes. We have a final check of your forecast coming up.